In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate text or make text vertical on Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. This is a document that I have taken as an example. Suppose you need to add vertical text in this document. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Drawing. In the pop-up menu, click on New. In the Drawing menu, take a text box and place it on the canvas. Write your text in the text box. Select the text and click on the three-dot icon. Now increase the text size according to your needs. In the top menu, click on Actions. In the drop-down menu, click on Rotate. In the pop-up, you get a few options to rotate your text. You can rotate your text clockwise or counterclockwise, both by 90 degrees. You can also flip your text horizontally or vertically. I will select clockwise 90 degrees, for example. There is another way to do this. Bring your cursor to this top point of the text. When your cursor becomes a plus icon, you can rotate the text however you want. After you are done, click on Save and Close. Click on the text box you just added. In the pop-up menu, click on the three-dot icon. In the drop-down, click on All Image Options. In the right side menu, expand the Text Wrapping tab. In the Text Wrapping tab, click on In Front of Text. Now you can move your text wherever you want. Following these steps, you can rotate, flip, or mirror your text easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.